The universe has something special to tell you. Every quiet moment in your life matters. Even when it seems like nothing is happening, the universe is busy preparing good things for your future. These quiet times are not just empty moments. They are when the universe is setting up your future success, happiness, and peace. Be patient and believe that everything is working out perfectly, even if you can't see it yet. Soon you'll see the wonderful things these quiet times have helped create. Keep believing, because great things are slowly coming together for you. Also, the universe has some exciting news for you. It has been working hard to find the right person for you, and now that time has come. You're about to meet someone who is not just kind and loving, but also brings with them high standards, wealth, and generosity. This person is everything you've been hoping for, someone who will live up to your expectations, fulfill your dreams, and make your life as wonderful as you've wished. The universe has heard your deepest desires and has sent someone who will truly change your life for the better. Get ready, because you're about to meet the partner you've been waiting for. The universe has a heartwarming message for you. After a long journey full of searching and hoping, you've finally found someone who understands you perfectly, loves you sincerely, and can give you the beautiful life you truly deserve. The universe is announcing that your extensive search for love is now complete. This wonderful person who holds deep feelings for you is eager to share their life with you and has dreams of marriage. This meeting isn't a stroke of luck, it's a significant moment carefully orchestrated by the universe, especially for you. Every element has been aligned perfectly to unite you both. Your past relationships may have been marked by betrayal, heartbreak, and numerous disappointments. You've experienced the sting of tears, the weight of feeling lost, and the nagging doubt of whether true love would ever find you. However, the universe remembers every piece of pain you've endured, and it assures you that those challenging days are now behind you. This new person represents a fresh start, a clean slate. The universe has crafted this relationship to be founded on love, trust, and profound respect. This individual is the one who can turn all your dreams into reality. Whether it's financial stability, genuine love, or enduring happiness, everything you've longed for is now within your grasp. This partner is not only ready but excited to embark on this new journey with you. Imagine a future where you no longer worry about financial burdens or personal hardships, because you have a supportive and committed partner by your side. This relationship is your doorway to a life where your past hardships are replaced with love, security, and joy. The universe is encouraging you to embrace this new love wholeheartedly. This is your time to experience a love that not only fulfills but exceeds your expectations. Your partner sees the beauty of your soul and is committed to contributing positively to your happiness. They recognize the hard times you've faced and are dedicated to making the future brighter for you both. In this new chapter, you and your partner will work together to achieve the dreams you've both cherished. The universe has carefully laid out a path filled with love, stability, and prosperity for you. It's ensuring that this relationship will be everything you've ever dreamed of and more. This is your moment to seize the love and opportunities presented to you, and with this special person, you will build a truly extraordinary future. Trust in the universe's plan, say yes to this message, and prepare to enjoy a life transformed for the better. The universe has something truly amazing planned for you. You've met someone who not only wants to share their life with you, but is also eager to open up a world of possibilities. They're ready to take you on adventures to new places, offer you a life filled with excitement yet comforting stability, and help realize all your dreams. They promise to be by your side every step of the way, navigating through life's ups and downs together. This person is the embodiment of loyalty and support, fully committed to you and deeply understanding of your needs. They care immensely about your feelings and are determined to provide the stable, peaceful life you've longed for. The universe is urging you to embrace this relationship with open arms and an open heart. This is your opportunity to experience a relationship that brings not just joy and safety, but deep satisfaction. This special person has recognized the true beauty of who you are and is committed to bringing happiness into your life. They are aware of the struggles you've faced in the past and are motivated to be the source of positivity and improvement. Their love is sincere, and with them you'll discover the peace and happiness that seemed elusive before. The universe wants to remind you that you are deserving of this profound love. You are a kind-hearted and noble person who has faced numerous challenges. Despite the difficulties, you've maintained your integrity and compassion. Now the universe is set to reward you with good fortune and a loving partner who sees your worth and is eager to build a future with you. Imagine a life where each day holds new excitement and stability, where you are free from the worries of the past and can look forward to the joys of the future. With this person, every morning brings the promise of laughter, every evening concludes with contentment, and every challenge is faced with unwavering support. Together you will explore the world, discover new joys, and build a life filled with love and mutual respect. This relationship is not just about sharing experiences, but about growing together in love and understanding. Your partner is ready to commit fully to this journey with you, eager to invest in a future where both of you thrive. They are prepared to love you unconditionally, support your dreams, and help you overcome any obstacle. With such a partner, the possibilities for happiness are endless. The universe's message is clear: step forward into this love that promises not only to heal the wounds of the past, but also to usher in a future brimming with happiness and fulfillment. You are worthy of this beautiful relationship, and now is the time to claim the love and joy that await you. Trust in the universe's plan, for it has aligned everything perfectly to bring this wonderful person into your life just when you needed them most. Say yes to this new chapter and let your heart be open to the extraordinary life that lies ahead with your perfect match. Life has thrown challenges your way, but now things are looking up. The universe is bringing you the perfect partner, someone who will lift you up, support you, and help build a future full of happiness and plenty. This person will heal the hurts from your past and set you on a path to a bright and hopeful future. You won't have to worry about money problems or personal troubles anymore. The universe is ready to lead you to a fulfilling life. Together, you and your partner will make your dreams come true, with the universe making sure your journey is joyful and successful. The universe is looking out for you, guiding you towards a wonderful life with your ideal match. Trust that everything is coming together. Your life is about to be full of love, stability, and happiness. This relationship will be the one you've always wanted. Now is your time to grab hold of the love and chances the universe is giving you. With this person beside you, you're going to build an amazing future. The universe has arranged for your life to get a whole lot better. Say yes to welcome this message and step into this exciting new chapter. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.